Introduction to Satin Stitch Embroidery. Learn the art of satin stitch embroidery with this easy-to-follow tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a complete beginner, this technique is perfect for adding a soft, smooth texture to your embroidery projects. Let's get started on creating beautiful, professional-looking designs. Materials needed before diving into the stitching process. Gather all your materials. You'll need 1. Fabric, such as cotton or linen. 2.
Embroidery hoop 3.
Embroidery needle. 4. Embroidery floss or thread, in colors of your choice. 5. Scissors. 6. Water-soluble pen or fabric chalk for transferring patterns. Step 1. Prepare your fabric. Begin by securing your fabric in embroidery hoop. Make sure the fabric is taut and smooth. This will make the stitching easier and more even. Use the water-soluble pen to draw your pattern outline on the fabric. The satin stitch is perfect for filling in shapes, so consider starting with simple designs like leaves or hearts. Step 2. Thread your needle. Cut a length of embroidery floss about 18 inches long. Separate the strands of the floss, usually 6 strands, and thread your needle with the number of strands that suit your project. For a filled effect, use all 6 strands. For a finer finish, use fewer. Step 3. Start the satin stitch. Bring your needle up through the fabric from the back at one end of your pattern shape. Pull the thread through, leaving a small tail at the back of the fabric. Now, insert the needle back down on the opposite line of the shape, directly across from the starting point. Pull the thread taut, but not too tight, to avoid puckering the fabric. Step 4. Fill the shape. Continue bringing the needle up and down, parallel to your first stitch, filling in the shape closely with smooth, side-by-side stitches. Keep the length of your stitches consistent for an even look, and take care not to pull the fabric too tightly. Step 5. Finish off once your entire shape is filled. Bring your needle to the back of the fabric and carefully secure the thread with a few small stitches so it doesn't unravel. Cut off any excess thread. Conclusion: you've completed your first satin stitch. Practice on various shapes and sizes to refine your technique. Experiment with color blending and shading to add depth and dimension to your projects. With each project, you'll discover new possibilities and grow your skills in the art of embroidery. Happy stitching!